Okay, welcome back to my channel once again. Please make sure you like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. As you can see, Udele and ndo the god ifa ndo the god ya na ebe akwa the Ififa men na Igbo. What they they did in Igbo land, I think in Osumo and Osiutokwa. What they did there in Igbo State and Anambra State, I believe, that is not trending. That is not trending. We're gonna go there anyway. And not only that, I don't know if you know, but I have to bring it to you. Udele and Nosonga have been back and forward. And one of his family members called Nosonga. I want you to listen to that. Like I told you, please pay attention. Let's quickly touch all those things in this particular video. I expect you to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. And let us know what you think about what the video is all about. So here is Nosonga's page, and we're gonna click on this one. Here it is.
We thank God. I need to get okay, my God. Okay, credit check. Credit check. Yeah, okay. Family of people, okay, sir. Last time we go, I make a way of program, last time we come, I about Chukoka. Yes. Go to about my name, okay, you so good, that boy. I had a couple of auto. I walk from the one who be here, come for us, my brother, one and not if I want to go, who's that there? You have to obey against my man, the public need to pack a jar there. So, over the road, I was a lawyer. Yeah, only I reach your family, my family are supporting him. All right. I'm telling you. All right. From where now, family are supporting him. Even if I'm not working over 10 to 15 years, who come up and about, you see? You know? So when over to them now, my question, okay, woman, that the Pata will face. So, anyway, so more parts of the family, I just support any worker. You're not the more you call them. Family support them. Okay. So, when the other question, thank you. Other question, I'm sorry. The situation. Thank you, sir. Okay, my brother. Oh, yes, my buddy. Well, amen. Oh, yeah. Oh, they are going to support you. You know, Bagayu. You know, Bagayu. And this is a lot of this boy. For his actions like this. From the one over here. So, what would you have the whole? But what are you happy with this, Bobo? I'm telling you the fact. Umpire would be last one of my child. Each working now, what the age of Umpire pick up where you are telling you, I am a job you did. So, what the question you want them to say, I'm like you walk all the family, people, all the support to them, not at all. Okay, sir. All the money, one year working. On behalf of the family, I apologize to Nosonga the terrible attitude and believe with the letter, which also will make content. So how you working now? Who will allow the same price? Who will allow at the same level? Who will put the company at the same level? More wacky and a war so who they will be. So why I keep reacting to him on a go, I don't have to eat it. No way you should go because the man is in our opera to play with. Don't be so, opera to play with. So if he fire, I will fire back. If he lambast, I will lambast back. The whole social media, mobile sports, when you appear to get when you get your warrior, that is social media for you. Then I put physically that we can behave normal. But I don't have social media here. I need like an eye. You want to go to the restaurant, Aram Kara here. Udele 5% Aram the 1 million. 1 million%. You know, physically, I can or whatever physically, but since the family Ariola, we have a lot of videos where Udele dedicated himself. He will buy Ndibo, he will buy 2 years, he will buy. We have a lot of videos. You know, I will keep. In fact, I don't know who family Ariola. I plan to tell him this week. He posts to my certain videos in Domin and one or Turkey. You know, and Coco. But the family Ariola, but also again, I will post those videos. I'm a guy in social media. I'm not a gentleman. I may look gentle, but I'm a gentleman. But a policeman, when police are gentle, I will go and read from the barracks. I'm a man. But since the family Ariola no so, no when any family member support him, I will forgive him. You know, I will forgive him. And I will not mention the family again because the family, when you take tackle, you have to lawyer as you tell all. I mean, you have to lawyer as you tell it. You have a family here. Because family of people, our family name be here. Family of people, I don't get this guy, I cannot or not. For the past 50 years, all I do to room Amandoba. For the past 50 years, with the Lala who put on me, I will go to his father's house. Very soon, I will make video. No Mudramandoba. Shindem Madu. Yes, I will go to Mudramandoba. I'm a Ganu Lumpia. Lumpia on Alabe for 50 years. More on so. Gaijak and Gawuli and Lumpia. On our Yara. Moyara, I demand. I'm Yara. So each and every social media gives you a lot about getting over more. I'm a Pasagaraga. You see now I'm a crawling in a guy. Now the later. But yes, each and every on the way here. The family has showed displeasure or disgruntledness at what you do, you know. But I want to tell you, Ogumana get it. Udele, Ogumana get personally, Ogumana get it. It's all I on social media. Where? And I'm waiting for you to reply to this video. Udele, I will check your reply at this video. So, Madam, don't be replying that number. Don't be replying. No, I hear on social media. I can't have here. Among your social media, we are all mad. We are all colos. You share a man on social media. But I put a physical, we can pretend we share a man. But as far as social media is concerned, I need a then your family has abandoned you. What else do you have? Nonsense, man. Udele. Morning, hello, Toshaga. We thank God.
All right, so that is not Sonkwa for you. And based on what the family said, Udele, the family they are trying to distance themselves from Udele. I don't buy into that idea. No. Udele they have never attacked anybody and abandoned their family. So if a Fable family think that making this kind of video, you just exaggerate themselves, no. If you say that you guys have tried and you couldn't stop him and that you have not done anything, he's your son. You know what to do. But if you don't want to do it, come on. Udele is officiating the buying of other people, invading in destruction of other people's property, using endowment and those. So you think that people should just overlook the family because you are not, you guys are not in support of what he's doing. I don't think so. And to know Sonkwa, that means now because I'm just saying. There's a post from Udele which we are going to go through before I end this video. Okay, please make sure you like the video, like I said. I expect you to like the video. It won't cost you anything. So click on the like button, please, if you have not. So here is the post. This is from Udele. And this person, another Odondo, this guy you are seeing here, say something that Udele shared, because I can see Zorex TV, something like that. I don't know the account. Let's go there, because I have the write-up on the screen, but I'm trying to see if I can, kind of zoom it a little bit before, so you'll be able to see it. Okay, I think it should be more readable now. At least it is a little bit manageable. So Udele made this post, I believe, sharing somebody's write-up on Facebook. He said, "It is sad how the ongoing anti-IPOB ESN operations in Osu-Hitokwa and Osumoho by the 34 Artillery Brigade and JTF are not even trending among Igbos." So he is hurting Udele and his camp, that what they are doing in Osu-Hitokwa in name of chasing IPOB/ESN away is not trending. Do you know why they keep on mentioning IPOB/ESN? To drag mass American to anything. That's a story from that day. When similar incidents happen in other regions, you will see hashtag flying. You will see hashtag flying. People crying genocide, tagging Donald Trump and demanding Nigerians break up. But when it is right here in Igbo land, silence. This just proves that for some Igbos, the life of their own people only matter when it fits their narrative. That is the painful truth. Selective empathy at its peak. Now, Udele and this guy here, because this is the person that made the write-up, Udele shared it. Okay, because Udele want to claim that he deserves more respect and more, praises based on his job. But there's something that made me to bring this to you. Do you think that Udele and people like him, they don't understand the reason why people are very skeptical about him and his stupidity? Let me just say it to you, for those that care to know. Igbos don't drive joy seeing anybody being quiet. That's number one. Our people are not pleased to see or to watch people being murdered in cold blood. Buying of people is not something that our people are known for. It is just something that everybody don't like to see. Yes, in Igbo culture, people don't brag how they buy people or celebrating the death of anybody. But in this recent age, some people are doing something, acting as if what they are doing, everything must be the way they want it. I don't understand. People don't want to get involved with your stupidity because they know that your choice and what you are doing is not in line with what people want. They have seen it all. You watch how security agents in Nigeria, how they treat our people, disappearing people, buying people for fun. And you think people don't know all those things, they don't count on it. You are the one to ask yourself some question. Why is it that only you are seeing what is going on? Others don't see that. Only you. How can you mentioned selective judgment? Let me quote him right. I don't want to quote him off context. He mentioned something here like selective judgment, I believe. Selective empathy. Where is your empathy? You that is talking. because we mentioned selective empathy. But when something happened in Igbo land, most especially what happened to what happened in Mass Nnamdi house, you don't do anything, you don't say anything. People went out to protest and they got killed. You don't show empathy. And here you are talking about empathy and sympathy and all that. You see, the communities in Imo State, those communities in Imo State and Anambra State, I don't know what happened there. I don't know. I cannot give you accurate information about whether somebody ESN they do this or do that. I don't know about it. But you cannot deny the fact that the Nigerian army are not doing something. That's what. So why are you picking on IPOB ESN alone? You then team up. We have seen Nigerian government using bulldozers, pulling people's buildings down. You know, setting some compounds, some houses ablaze. You have seen those videos, and you don't feel any problem. You think it's normal. Where is such operation now in the north or other places? Anyway, let me not just go there because I don't want people to start. I don't want people to misunderstand my point of view. I just want you to understand that your cry, that your word, your action is not trending because people know that you're a saboteur and you're an evil man. Everything you are doing there is just lie from pit of hell. And I'm not going to say any other thing more than what I've just said. But let it be on record that 95% of Igbos, they know the truth. 3% actually know the truth, but they choose to do evil. 2% are ignorant of what is going on. That's why they actually. So 95%, they know, and they have made that choice correctly. But out of the remaining 5%, 3 know the truth, but they choose to do evil. That's where you guys fall in. Then the remaining other 2 are those that are just pure ignorant of what is going on, and they're relying on you to tell them what to do and all that. So that's all I can say about it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Let me know what you think about Udele and his family member, what they said. What do you think that is going to happen? Do you think people are going to ignore Udele? No, I don't think so. Every evil that you are committing today have some consequences. Not a threat, but naturally it will happen. You see, now some person that is going to visit his father's house and all that. Can you imagine? So the father's house can be located in Igbo land and cash also, all of this. Anyway, please let me know what you think about it and make sure you like the video. Like I said, thank you and God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.